This is our 15th anniversary of the Spirit of the Entrepreneur Awards. You are officially our largest audience ever at 900 tickets issued.
I just feel kind of honored, and humbled indeed. Like, this is my first go around at this, and there are people here that have been doing it for a long, long time. So I'm actually excited to hear other people's stories and learn from them.
Entrepreneurship is the engine of our entire economy, and all these people here are driving our economy. We're working behind the scenes to really make wonderful things happen, and it's never really recognized, it just happens. And so this is such a fun event to really recognize all the wonderful things that all these business owners are doing.
And the award goes to Michael Rappaport,
Janet Steiner,
Roy Dan.
This might be the coolest dad has ever been.
My goodness, this is really quite an honor. My dad started the company 50 years ago.
Actually, my team did the heavy lifting, and I'm just there enjoy the ride. So the first thing I want to do is thank my team. They are the one who put me here today.
The spirit of entrepreneurship is alive and well in the nonprofit environment, and we're really thankful for that.
Well, the County of San Bernardino is a huge sponsor of the Spirit of Entrepreneur Awards because we believe in the presence that they have in our region, the support they give to our local entrepreneurs and small businesses, the resources they have.
So anything that we can do to recognize the small businesses that do so much for our economy and provide so many jobs and so much economic benefit to our community, we are going to support that 100%.
I'm kind of a famous auctioneer, and I was born and raised in Riverside, so it's kind of my backyard here. I'm an entrepreneur at heart. I have businesses, and I'm always trying to think outside the box, how to put stuff together, and that's what it's all about, to inspire the young people, to get them into business. And if we're chasing a passion in our life and making money, that's the best thing in the world.
It's been really great, to see the progression, the maturation of the program, and it's really been great buy-in from sponsors and the community and the entrepreneurs. Great opportunity to bring our students here, see these role models. So I'm very satisfied that we've really kind of, as several people have said this, that have been here every year, that said this was the best out of all 15 years. The message I would share with students and future entrepreneurs is that it is possible to do this. If you have the vision, the passion, and the willingness to work hard and take the risks, that you can have an entrepreneurial future and be very successful at creating your own business enterprise. The entrepreneurial spirit is alive and well, and let's keep it going. Cheers to you, the spirit of the entrepreneur. Cheers.